What's up, everyone? I'm gonna introduce you today a new WhatsApp integration called STEVO, and this tool is very nice. They have their own API. I'm gonna start by showing you some of the features that we have here. They have some of the menus in Portuguese, but they will translate the whole thing later. The first thing is group messages. All you have to do in order to receive group messages in your conversation panel and turn them into contacts is to disable this option. Right here, it's already disabled, you see. If you click on enable, that means that you ignore every group message. But when you have disabled, that means that every group will be treated as a contact inside of your CRM, and you'll be able to see the whole conversation in the conversation panel. The other features that I really like about this is a tool that has a switch. They have lists. They have a whole documentation here if you would like to check it out. Like, for example, the switch. They have the comments here, the same structure as WhatsApp if you are familiar with other integrations in the HighLevel universe. And what I really like is that they have lists as well. You see, it's the same syntax, So if you are using lists in WhatsApp, you can easily migrate to STEVO very easily. They just need the English tutorials, which I'm going to help them with. And they have integration with 11 Labs, OpenAI. They have buttons as well in STEVO now, and they will come up with the call panel. So it's a call panel that you can connect your number and can make calls from your browser. They will come up with a dashboard where you can monitor the calls, check the summary, duration, who attended the call, the status of the call. As of now, it just works for you to dial the calls. And other than that, they have also other features where I'm going to show to you right now. And right here, you have the ads data. So whenever you are running ads on Meta, with the objective for WhatsApp, you can have that Meta ads data received in the first message that the lead will send. So you're going to get the campaign ID, the ad ID, the copy of the ad, CTA, all the information is going to be included in the first message. You can also send the origin of the WhatsApp message. So that means that you have multiple agents connected to HighLevel, and each one of them has a unique name. So you can create different automations based on the number that is receiving the message. Because you have the number reference 1, 2, 3, just like WhatsApp. You have the priorities. So you can have a specific automation when number 2 is receiving a message. When number 3 is receiving a message, you can have specific automations for them. You can also send the name of the user in the message. So whatever user is using that number, when you have this enabled, when you send a message, so if I send a message, it's going to show up Lucas Dantas in the WhatsApp message that I'm sending. And you also have the disconnection alert. So that means that whenever your WhatsApp gets disconnected, you will send a notification to that number you specified there. Other than that, they have the STEVO voice, which is the call panel I talked about. It's still in the MVP version. They will come up with an AI agent as well. They have integration with OpenAI and 11 Labs. So all you have to do is to paste your API key here. So you're able to send voice notes with your cloned voice. And the best thing is that you don't have to pay for that premium action because they have it built in here. So all you have to do is to send the comment and you do not have to pay for that action. Other than that, they have this new feature that allows you to specify a tag and then assign a user automatically based on this panel right here. You add the tag, you add the user without having to create an automation. You do the automated assignment. And the last thing is the trigger, the possibility of adding a tag to a contact based on a word or a phrase that is sent or received during your conversation. So if you are starting a conversation with a lead, you can add a tag to disable an AI agent, for example. You can add a tag that will change the pipeline stage that this lead is in. So you can create several scenarios where whenever you are sending or receiving a specific word or a phrase, to do automations inside of HighLevel based on a tag. Guys, this tool is very good. They have just come up with their own API. A lot of my clients are using this. I have several accounts where people are using. So I would definitely recommend you to try it out. Check the page right here below and grab your offer because this is only limited and you will not regret. This is one of the best tools I've seen, especially if you only need one number. This is a perfect tool for you. And if you guys need help, they have a very good support and they have a gather server where you can join, and I will make sure that your problem is solved as well. So in worst case scenario, you can get in touch with me if you have any issues with STEVO. Guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this promotion and let's go, guys.